So I know that it's been forever since I've made an appearance, but here we are, and I'm so sorry for the hiatus, but we're back, y'all. So today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different from the norm of the videos that you may have seen previously on my channel. We're going to be reviewing the new rice water collection from Mielle Organics. I'm so excited about trying these products for y'all. This will be my first time actually trying these on my hair, so you'll be seeing my honest review, first impression, all of that good stuff, so you'll actually know if I like these products or if I don't. And I'm pretty sure, positive, that I will love these products because everything that I've ever tried from their line has been amazing, and my hair has loved the products. So I'm so excited about trying these with y'all. You'll be getting my honest review, first impression, how they work. You'll see them in real time. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, get a little bit of insight so you can kind of make the decision on whether you want to purchase them for yourself. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so here I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I shampooed my hair in the shower just because it makes it a little bit easier for me. And I like to section my hair in 4 sections just to make the process of applying products, detangling, all of that good stuff so much easier. Okay, so here I'm just untwisting the back section of my hair, and I'm going to take the clay mask from the rice water collection. As you can see, it is super thick, which is what you want for a deep conditioner or conditioning treatment. This is also some specs on the product. So I'm just going to proceed to get a generous amount and apply it to this section of my hair. So it says to apply generously, and that's exactly what I do. And it smells so good. This whole line has such a nice fragrance. I love it. So when it comes to deep conditioners, I always like to use a lot of product. My hair is thick, and I like to make sure that every single strand on my head gets penetrated, which is why I like to apply and detangle as I go, just so I can make sure that I'm smoothing the product out evenly. So right away, I'm highly impressed with the moisture that the mask is giving my hair. It's also making my curls pop, so that's always a good sign. But the ultimate test is the rinse. When you rinse it out, you can always tell how well the conditioner helped or the mask if your hair is very manageable and soft afterwards. So we're going to test it out. So I'm just continuing to apply the clay mask all over the 4 sections of my hair. And in the front, I have a little bit more hair in these front sections, so I'm just going to divide the sections into subsections so that I can apply the product evenly. So I'm just making sure that I'm applying that mask to my edges as well. Those parts of my hair tend to get a little bit unruly, so we can't forget about those. So here I'm just taking my easy detangler brush, and I like to comb the product through. This clay mask has a decent amount of slip, which is good, so it makes the detangling process a lot easier. And then I just like to twist each section. So as you can see, I applied the product very generously because I have very thick hair, so I want to make sure that I am getting the product on every strand of hair on my head. So I'm just going to take a plastic cap, and I'm just going to put this over my head. I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. It says 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to do right in the middle and do about 20-25 minutes, and then I'll be back after I rinse this out. Okay, so I let the clay mask sit on my hair for about 25 minutes and I rinsed it out. So I just did that, and I just have a cotton shirt on my hair because I never use towels. And this is my hair right after I rinsed the mask out. So as you can see, my hair has a natural sheen to it, which I love. When rinsing the mask out, I noticed that my hair was super soft. It just feels a lot stronger as well. And overall, I'm giving the clay mask 5 stars right off the bat. Long term, what it may do for my hair, I'll have to update you guys on that. But as far as like initial first impressions, I'm loving it. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next product in the collection, which is the Moisturizing Milk. I'm gonna insert a picture here also with the specs on this product as well. So I'm gonna be styling my hair in a wash and go today. So I'm gonna be using this product as my cream. I already applied the Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner, which is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. I use it religiously, literally. So I've already applied that, and I'm gonna use this as my cream. And I'm probably gonna add just a little bit of gel to my hair because it is super thick and I want that definition still. So we're gonna see how this works. And it's super thick, which I like because I have thick hair. So I like thick products for my hair because moisture is one of the biggest problems that I have with my hair. And this is why I love the Mielle line, because she has so many different collections within the Mielle line that are perfect for whatever type of natural hair that you have. And I am a fan. Okay, so the next product that we're going to be using today is the split end therapy. This product can be used 2 ways. It can either be used on a daily basis where it just maintains the strength of your ends, or you can use it as a split end prevention where you apply it to the ends of your hair, let it sit under a plastic cap, and rinse before shampooing. So now I'm just working on the front sections of my hair. I'm just taking the split end therapy and applying that from root to tip, and following up with the Moisturizing Milk. Now I'm just finishing up the application process, and I'm just continuing to detangle the hair as I apply the product. And I'm just going in, like I mentioned earlier, with just a little bit of gel in the fronts of my hair so that we can contain the frizz, tame the edges, because I definitely need it. And I'm just shingling the front also because I have a little bit of heat damage in the front of my hair. So I just like to make sure that those parts of my hair are also as defined as the back sections of my hair. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, also do my makeup, everything, let my hair finish drying, and I'll be back to show y'all the finished results. Last but not least, we're going in with the Shine Mist just to finish everything up. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished results. And my hair is so moisturized, like super moisturized. And I didn't add any extra oil in my hair just because I wanted to see how much moisture that this line added to my hair alone. And this Moisturizing Milk definitely played a part in that. It is so thick and creamy, and it was able to penetrate my hair shafts, and my hair is so thick, especially in the crown area of my hair, and that is also moisturized. And I finished it off with the Shine Mist, which I love because not only can you use this as a shine mist on dry or damp hair, you can also use this as a curl refresher. So whenever these curls start to get all crumpled up and bent and dry, you know, about day 4 or 5, I'm gonna try this out just to see how well it works as a curl refresher. So I'm super excited about this line. Thank you so much, Mielle, for sending this to me. I'm so appreciative, and I hope that you guys got some insight on the products if you were thinking about buying them. And I definitely say 2 thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week.